Okay. Yep. So, hey everyone, we've got with us today Simran Narang from Chandigarh, and she is a health and lifestyle coach. So, hi Simran.
Hi there. Hi.
So,
How are
what's up?
you?
I'm good. What's up with you?
Well, been busy.
Okay. That's
A
great. Being
lot
busy
going
is
on.
great always. So,
Yeah.
Simran, today I'm just going to be asking you a few questions, and you may reply as you deem fit. Will that work?
Yeah, sure.
Great. So, Simran, in your opinion, what do you think is happiness? And in human experience, or in your experience rather, is there any such concept of happiness also? Or it's just um, like mental, what should I say, thought?
Wow, a lovely topic. Like happiness is one of my favorite topics. First, let me tell you that.
Wow,
And
that's nice.
because I believe in happiness, yeah, for me, like happiness is the opposite of sadness, totally.
Mm-hmm.
And really believe that health, I mean, more than health, I feel that happiness is right on top. Though I'm a health and lifestyle coach, I feel like, if you're not happy, you don't reach the results basically. Only if you're
Okay.
happy, state of mind, you can work for your health. Else, you
Mm-hmm.
are brooding and you are negative, so you'll never, approach life in
Mm-hmm.
a proper way. So, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
health is really important. It's a state of mind, like they say, and I quite believe in that.
Okay,
Yes. Yeah,
that's
so
right.
happiness is on the top. So I really love the topic.
Okay, that's nice. So, Simran, like, what makes you happy and what makes you sad?
Well, a lot of things make me happy.
Mm-hmm.
It's connecting with people with a
Mm-hmm.
positive mind, basically.
Mm-hmm.
Like I love connecting with people who are positive, who look forward to, good things in life, basically, who
Right.
make your small moments happy. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I look forward to meeting such people. I love, for me, happiness is like, when I go and connect with, especially the old people, and, like I love to do things for them.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I've done a lot of that sort of things that get, happiness, like, just writing letters for them. The children are far, and,
Wow.
getting their groceries. So connecting with them, basically, that really gives me happiness.
Mm-hmm.
And the second part is what makes me unhappy, right?
Yeah.
Well, let me tell you, uh, the thing that makes me really unhappy is connecting with fake and toxic people.
Oh.
They're strong words, but yes, I think in today's world and scenario, there are a lot of people, and you have
Mm-hmm.
to choose wisely. So, yes, those sort of people with that sort of a mindset, yes, those sort of people really make me feel very, there's
Okay.
nothing.
Mm-hmm. Right. So, say if you have to give, what should I say? You mentioned the negative and toxic people, right? So,
Exactly.
if there are negative and toxic people around you, what would
Mhm.
be your secret mantra that you would give them in order for them to be really happy and be among your, friend circle?
Well, it's more negative, fake, and toxic people, uh, uh, to be more real. In fact, connect with people at workplace or, office or wherever you are working, try to connect with the real people, and true people, because a lot of us of that
Mm-hmm.
sort also. So, like, I would like them to, know us, such people, uh, know they do realize, like what and who are the good people, who are the positive people. So I feel, a good amount of reading, a good
Mm-hmm.
amount of networking with the right people, this
Mm-hmm.
sort of help them Plus there are a lot of people who motivate, so you can always go and connect with the people who motivate you.
No.
And yeah, it's like that, because I think some people are made that way, so not much can be done about them, but a
Right.
try can all one can always try,
Yeah,
right?
obviously.
So
Yeah. Right. So tell me, Simran, say there are 100 people in front of you, and they have really long face, and really down, depressed, and stuck in their lives, and they really don't know what to do, right?
mm,
So what can you do for them, uh, or what do you think they should do so that they can get out of that state and go for something called life and living it?
I wish I had a magic wand, like I feel
Mhm.
there are angels around, and God sends them for such people who really don't know what to do with their life. And, some of the people just unnecessarily brood because
Mhm.
life is, and like I'll definitely connect with them. And one at a time, I would love to connect with them. I
Mhm.
would like to play my magic wand on them and tell them and make them realize that, life is, it's too short, and
Mhm.
it's meant to live, and
Mhm.
teach them the more positive things, to be more positive, and to have a good mindset, connect with the
Mhm.
right people, and do small things, and help them grow. Basically,
Mhm.
I would like to have a one-to-one connection with such people and
Mhm.
really motivate them and show them that what life is all about. There is so
Mhm.
much in life, and I will also, show like there are people maybe in worse conditions than them. Maybe,
Right.
some people have everything and they are still brooding. They
Mhm.
forget life. They forget to live the life, that actually God has given. So yeah, I'd like to, show them the reality, what it is, one at a time. Mm.
Okay,
Yes,
what do you
that's
think? What do you think is wrong with the people and this world that people are getting unhappier, by the day?
yeah. Maybe the expectations are so high nowadays, like
Mm-hmm.
so much of competition, so much expectations. Unhealthy competition, I may say. Because
Yeah.
life is not competing. You see,
Mm-hmm.
and not only making a career out of everything. There's much, much more than that. And I guess
Mm-hmm.
people have forgotten. A lot of people have forgotten, and it's just a rat race that's going on, competing with everybody, going ahead, like literally stamping on the other and getting ahead. And, these expectations make us so unhappy. So I feel,
Right.
that's the right. That's really making people unhappy.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, everything can be sorted out, everything can be done if,
Mm.
we are more calmer in life, basically.
Okay, people need
Uh,
to be calm.
Yes, of course. It does a lot good to realize to live life one day at a time. There's much more to life than only work, or only a career, or only
Mm-hmm.
getting on somebody's back. There's so much more that life offers us. We just have to look around with open eyes. Basically, that's what most of us have forgotten to do.
Right. That's really nice. So, what message would you like to give some of our viewers on happiness miracles?
Yeah, see, we live only once, one
Mm-hmm.
life. Even with a hashtag, I always give out on my videos, one life. So,
Mm-hmm.
like, "Karna ho." So, like, just live with that as if it's your last moment, and, just enjoy the small things that give you happiness. Learn
Mm-hmm.
to enjoy and share those moments. It's never going to come back. These moments, memories, and they just become memories. So, out of that moment, just make whatever you can, just grab all the beautiful moments and, cherish them and live life. That's what I'll always give the message out, is just live for the moment, live for now, and just see the beauty around you, experience it. That is very important, which many of us have forgotten to do it right now. we keep thinking about tomorrow and the day after, but we forget to live in the now. So I would
Yeah,
like to give them, like, live for now, live for the moment, and really enjoy it. It's beautiful. Life is really beautiful.
that's really nice. It was awesome. It was great meeting you. Thank you so much. And I hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you. Yes, I enjoyed it because it's my favorite topic. So yeah, I'm lucky to have, talk to you. Thank you so much.
That's great. All the best, Simran.
Thank you. Thanks, Arjun.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.